Hi, it's here for the Samsung Galaxy A34 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's first open the settings and then tap to connection section. Here you'll see Wi-Fi. Just to activate the Wi-Fi, click once on the switcher and now we can see all of the available networks here. So for example, let's select one from the networks and enter the password. If you want to see this password here, you should click to this eye icon. So after that, just tap to connect. Wait a second. And now we can see here that's our device successfully connected to this network. If you wanna just share with the QR code with this password with someone, you can click here, or you can forget the password. To turn off the Wi-Fi, we should click on the switcher once again. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. Just open the control panel and you'll see here Wi-Fi icon. Click on it to activate the Wi-Fi or to turn it off. And if you want to launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while the icon and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.